What's up everyone, welcome to rareliquid, and this is update number 9 of 12 of trying to get to $0 to $1 million in earned revenue in 12 months. If you're new to these updates, basically I started this documentary when I first started YouTube this past January 2021, and the point was just really to show you guys my live updates at the start of each month to show how the business and channel was overall progressing. And the numbers and projections you're gonna see are very lofty, and it was a very much of like an optimistic case, and we are nowhere near hitting those numbers, but I wanted to continue and finish out this series because I said that I do it for every month for a year. And so yeah, that's basically what this video is about. With that said, today's agenda is very simple. I'll first be discussing October's results and then share with you a new giveaway announcement. Okay, so first up, let's go over October's results. First off, in terms of subscribers, I fell far short of my goal of 250,000 and ended the month at 52,459 subscribers. YouTube ad revenue saw a slight uptick and went up from around $1,800 to $2,332, and this was largely because at the end of the month I started live streaming, and that caused a big jump in views and watch time, which led to higher revenues. Next up is Patreon, and I just barely beat September's Patreon numbers and ended the month at $6,261. Next is affiliates and sponsors, which went up meaningfully to $6,390, and this was actually only across 4 sponsorship videos during the month, so there's a lot of room for this to go up. Next is courses, which fell to $713, and this is just me selling my resume and cover letter templates and guides, and I haven't really been promoting this all that much. So in total, I fell far short of my goal of $145,000, but I did make $15,696, which is not too shabby. And since I ended the month at around 50K subscribers, you can see that if you compare where I projected 50K subscribers here, that I would be making about $11,500. I'm at least beating those revenue projections. Now, next up, let me share with you guys the giveaway opportunity. The giveaway is really simple. All you need to do is comment down in this video what you think November's revenue is going to be, and the person who's closest to our actual revenue figures is going to be the winner, and we'll send that person $100. That concludes the video. I know it was really short, but I've just been really busy these days, and so I wanted to just keep this one super simple. And maybe for the next update, I'll provide a little bit more about my reflections and things like that. But with that said, thank you so much as always for watching, and hope to catch you in the next video. Thanks and peace out.